buti na lang maganda laro nila Jonard at ng mga kasama niya. Pero mahirap pa rin ipagpag yung terra firma kahit bandang huli pa.
Thank you, Coach. Jonard, matanong ko lang, anong reaction ni Coach Higdud sa big?
Tumawa na.
Nagkatinginan kami na napamura ako, sabi ko. But sabi ko, that's just being smart and at the same time lucky. No? Alam naman natin sinadya talaga ni Jonard. Pero try to be smart, sometimes you get lucky.
Sa tingin mo, Jonard, paano makakatulong yung panalo nyo ngayon into your next game against SMB?
Siyempre ito magandang sign ito para sa next game namin sa Cagayan. Pero marami pa rin kulang. Yung depensa namin may lapses pa rin. Pero hinahandaan ni Coach nga sa practice naman makukorek namin yung lahat ng mga lapses namin. Yun lang, magdadala namin sa Saturday.
Thank you, Coach Jerry and Jonard. We now send the questions for our friends in the press.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, yung game kasi sa Saturday, bukod kasi dun sa top 4 na habol nyo, parang it's also a like so yun pakita na regardless if you get the top 4 or not, na you can be a threat sa playoffs.
Yes, yun no? Dalawang magkasunod na mabigat na laro pa kami before we end our elimination round. San Miguel muna and then Ginebra. We're still trying to get to top 4. No? Kaya may bearing talaga itong larong to sa amin, kaya pinagsikapan namin talaga maipanalo. But San Miguel of course is a different kind of team. It's playing on a different level, especially with Junmar. Pagdating ng All Filipino, talaga kailangan daanan mo sila bago mo masabi na contender ka. No? You have to pass through San Miguel in the All Filipino. So pagdadaanan namin yan ng Sabado, nung una kasi we were just trying to get to 6 wins. Now we got to 6 wins. Now we're trying to get to 8 wins. 8 wins gets you twice to beat. No doubt about that sa kwenta namin. 7 wins will probably get you a tie, and pag nag-tie, you cannot really control what your situation will be. So subukan namin makapasok with 8 wins, and to make 8 wins, we have to beat San Miguel on Saturday.
Coach, kano kalaking bagay yung kawalan ni Lemeti for the rest of the season, consider ito yung naabot?
Malaking bagay kasi paganda na yung laro ni Felix I don't know if you noticed, we've added minutes to his playing time. We've given him a lot of starts, a lot of starts dun sa mga games namin. Binigyan din namin siya ng opportunity mag-finish ng mga laro. So he was just really getting into his groove, and then nangyari yun. So yung epekto, medyo bumagal kami. Kasi si Felix, pagka nagdala ng bola, parang kakarot yun bilis At natural sa kanya na mabilis siya. Yung mga ibang gwardiya namin, kumbaga sa kabayo, kailangan pinapalo mo pa para bumilis. Si Felix, may kusa. Itutulak mo lang, mabilis na. Yung iba naming mga gwardiya, pinapalo pa para mabilis. Si Jonard, pinapadel pa to para
Coach, meron ka bang concern sa laro niyo? Kanya 20 turnovers kayo?
Malaking concern yan. Malaking concern yan. But it's mostly mental. Pagka naman big games, hindi kami masyadong nagta-turnover kasi even before this game, I think we were the least team with the team with the least turnovers on the average. Kahit mabilis kami maglaro, hindi kami na yung nagta-turnover ng bola. Pero itong last 2 games namin, naging problema namin. It's out of character, but we have to find a way to remedy it as soon as possible.
Coach, alam natin si Jonah din si Anthony tumapos. But kanina, kahit paano nakapiga ka ng 10 points from Escandor, and just talk about it. Nagpagkano sila?
Part ng plano namin to give minutes to our bench kasi nga gusto namin fresh pa rin kami, babiyahe pa kami ng Friday, tapos mabigat na laro on Saturday. So kailangan talaga yung key players namin presko pa rin, no? So that's really part of the plan. Even yung sina Sean, we gave them additional minutes para lang presko pa kami pagdating ng Sabado. And mabuti na lang na deliver siya. He got 10 points today.
Okay.
That ends our post-game press conference. Thank you, everyone. Congratulations, Coach Deng and John.